Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I am featuring another quick and easy card using the Hold On to Hope. And I know I've been saying this in some of my videos, but I'm really in love with this the stamp set, and actually the bundle I think is great. This one is Cross of Hope framelits, and again this is by far my favorite, but this time I'm actually using this one. So let me just show you how this one looks. I feel like it looks great, and of course it fits perfectly on this one, so I'm gonna be using this guy. So I'm going to be using this stamp set with this image, and as always, whenever you get the bundle, you save 10% of both of the items. Don't forget that during 2018, I'm actually having an online, an incentive ordering program, where if you place an online order, you get from me a card kit to make 4 cards. 4 cards, and everything is going to be included except the stamping. You'll have to provide the stamps, but you can substitute with whatever you have. You don't have the particular one that I'm using on the kit. The other thing is, if your order is $50 or more, then you'll also get the accessory of the month. Again, this is new for 2018, and I really hope you take advantage of that. So anyway, so let's go back to my card. So I'm going to be using this. I have already Dapper Denim. And another thing to consider is that Dapper Denim is one of the ink colors from 2016-2018. And so these will be retiring pretty soon. So if you like this color or any of the ink colors from 2016-2018, make sure you order them. The ink, the re-inker, the cardstock, because coming sometime in April they'll be releasing a retiring list, and at that point it's while supply lasts. And so at that point, once it's gone, and I won't be able to sell that for you ever again. So if there's a particular color that you like from the ink color family, please make sure to order them. And let me just tell you which are the colors, if you don't remember. It's the Emerald Envy, Dapper Denim, which is this one, Flirty Flamingo. Then I have Peekaboo Peach and Sweet Sugar Plum. So make sure you get the ink colors if you like them, to stock up before the retiring list is coming up, because at that point usually the ink color it's usually the first thing that leaves within the first day. So anyway, so back to the card. So this is 5.5 by 8.5 as usual, and I'm going to be folding it in half. Let's just go ahead and do that. Alright, then I have a piece of Whisper White, and this one is 3 3/4 by 5. And I have a piece of Marina Mist, and this one is 3.5 by 4 3/4. I've also die cut already the cross with the framelits out of the Silver Glimmer paper. So I'm going to be stamping here, and I'm going to be using the Dapper Denim. Where is the cross? Here it is. And let's just re-ink well, and I'm just going to be putting it here. Okay, I think like at center, and I'm going to be press firm, but I'm not going to rock it because I don't want any of those shadows. And here we go. And the image is supposed to look like that. If you look at the stamp set, you do have a little bit of that watercoloring look. So don't think there's anything wrong with it. It's the way it's supposed to be. So this one will go like so there. The next thing is, I'm going to be using a piece of paper here, and I'm going to stamp the edge with Marina Mist too, just to give a little bit of a border, because I felt like it needed some sort of a border. So there we go. Alright. Alright. Okay. And you know what? On this one, I feel like I didn't put anything. So let's just do it again. And we're going to be using a little bit here. There we go. And I probably put a little bit more here because I don't know that. Yes, there we go. Much better. And I probably do a little bit more here because I think there's almost nothing there. And you can see I'm just going over. And maybe some more here too. There we go. I love it. Okay, so again, this is going to be another of those quick and easy cards, and I felt like this one will be good if I put a glue dot on each of the areas. But you know, before I do that, I think I want to glue this one to that. Oh yes. Okay, let me just take this scrap of paper. I'm going to be using my fast fuse. Okay. And this one will go here. Ooh, I like it. All right. Alright. And then for this one, like I said, I think I'm going to be putting just some glue dots. And see, this one is gone, so let me just get my next one here. Alrighty. And the only one that I can see a little bit, so if you see anything there, just make sure it's covered so that none of that glue is sticking out. So just go with your finger to make sure all is hidden. And we're going to be putting it like so, right in the middle. The only thing that I think this one needs is actually one of these rhinestones, because I felt like it needed something like in the center, you know, like so, don't you think? Just to make it stand out even more. So I put one of those, one of the largest of the clear faceted gems, and it's right here. And I'm gonna really leave it like so. I think that this one will be great for any occasion. You know, like a sympathy card or Easter card, or even like a first communion or a baptism. So I think I'm just gonna leave it blank because I don't know what I will be using it for, you know. But this one, I'm gonna put a piece of Whisper White in the inside so that I can write here a message. So here it is for today. I feel like this one will be really nice. Like I said, I think even for like baptism and First Communion or what sympathy. So I'm just gonna leave it blank because I feel like I could put the message here and then write something inside. So anyway, hope you have enjoyed it. Like I said, make sure you take advantage of my ordering incentive. Also, do check out my blog at creatingwithali.com. I'll put all the items that I use on my blog as well as the description of this video, so you can check all the links which will take you to my online store so that you can get any of the items that I use if you want to duplicate this card. So anyway, hope to see you soon and leave me a comment. Okay, thank you, have a good day, bye.